Hi everyone, and we're all ready to head off to the Dordogne. We're going to go to Dom. I'm going to see what's happening there, and then we're going to go on to La Rue Gagrac probably, and then we're going to find somewhere for stopping tonight, and then we are going to, I don't know, we'll see. Right, let's go. Okay, so quick little change. We decided to take the drone up. We saw this wonderful location, and I just quickly pulled over, stopped, put the drone up, and here we are. This is where I decided it'd be fun to put the drone under a bridge. Now, slightly irresponsible, slightly silly maybe, but it's not dangerous, it's fine. But it does look cool. You can't say it doesn't. What do you think? We just arrived and had lunch in a very beautiful little village. In the middle of the village, I found a park and a little car park. The kids are now playing on the swings and the slides, and it's just so peaceful. All we can hear is birds, like there's chickens, there's ducks, enjoying themselves, and that's it. So quiet, so peaceful. So somehow I managed to lose all of the footage for day 8 from this point on. So let's cue day 9. Go!
Hi.
Morning everyone. I have bad toothache. So, sorry it's not smiling day today. So we've just put the rubbish in the bins, the campsite. Ethan just put a bottle in the bottle bank, and we're about to go and collect our breakfast that we purchased yesterday. This campsite's really good. It's not one of our normal campsites, this is a proper campsite.
Morning.
Morning. Say hi Eva. So we've got some pain au chocolat, croissants, piece of French stick, or a baguette, more appropriately known. Food collected. If I'm lucky, today, me and Ethan are going to go on a canoe down the Dordogne. Okay, so we just checked and the canoeing isn't happening today. It looks lovely today, but they're worried that there's a storm coming. There was a massive storm early this morning or in the middle of the night, I don't know. And there was lots of thunder, I guess lightning, I didn't see it, I have no idea. No canoeing today. Canoeing is off the table, which is a bit sad. Eve's just carrying the pain au chocolat. And Ethan has got the rest of everything, look. I think we've got a lot of stuff. I've got a bit of a tendency of ordering too much, but we'll just have to eat more. That's okay. So I think today's going to be about swimming and playing. Smile. Right, so time to fill up the water. That's the connection we've got here, and I don't really have anything like that. So I think the answer is to take the end off of this. Hopefully it'll go over the end of that and I can just hold it there. I don't want to get soaked, please. In theory, by taking this off and taking the hose out, it shouldn't be difficult, although the gas bit's broken inside. Oh, something makes me think that it wasn't the best thing to do. And say hi Eva. Right, so I've done it. I've got breakfast. That's the most important thing. The second to breakfast, I made it work. Now, not the best thing in the world, and it's not permanent. It's only going to work while I'm here, and I can make sure it doesn't go pop. It is working. Low pressure, the water is going through the fitting and then into the pipe. Now, it's only working because there's a small insert that's in the blue pipe. So the insert goes up into the fitting that's already on the tap, and then the tape holds it all in place. But if I turned it up much more, it'd probably start to leak through the tape. So, but it's working.
Hi.
Might take a while. Just arrived on the banks of the Dordogne. I'd like to swim, really. That's my objective today. Let's see how possible this is. I'm going to try, see what happens. Let's see.
Daddy left his t-shirt behind.
Okay, so I tried, but just can't do it. It's too cold. It was crazy, the water running past my legs. I just felt like I had ice on them. I don't think the water was even that cold, I just think it was a speed. So it's day 2 at the same campsite, but I thought I'd take you up and and show you what it looks like from above. Now we'll definitely come back here. It's an amazing place. Staff went out their way to make our stay good, perfect, and the facilities were really nice. They were perfectly clean, showers were amazing, toilets were great. Just overall, it's a great sort of, I don't know, 5-star. I don't know what it is. It's a good campsite. So if you're looking for somewhere on the Dordogne, I'd go check it out. Especially being so close, access actually onto the banks. If you want to walk down, you can. We did it. Okay, so we've been swimming. Got dry. I can't feel half my face. And Ethan's showing me where lizards are. We're putting some washing on. And we're going to get some food. I need some medication. Okay, how much do you think it was for 2 glasses of wine? They're not large, I'd say they're a medium. Cheers.
£4 each? €4 each?
€4 each. How about €4.20
Each.
total?
Wow.
So, time to go back to the motorhome now. I'm going to find some froggies, says Ethan. There's a really cool little pond. Tiny pond with loads of frogs in, which is very, very good for the kids.
Did you see it? Did you see it?
So one of Ethan's massive qualities is his ability to communicate with Eva and share things. He's really good at showing her exciting things that he enjoys. And at the moment, Ethan is showing Eva the frogs. And he's just intent on her experiencing it as he sees it. Which is amazing. Right, should we go and get our food? Can you say hi?
Bye.
It's raining outside.
We saw a lightning storm.
No.
Oh,
Yummy food.
Was it worth it?
I think it's worth it. And a glass of wine as well. Okay, so I thought I'd go for something a bit lighter than a burger. So this is mine.
there's so much light.
The only word that we understood
Was duck. So there's stuff of duck, which is cool. And then Janie's got a burger, which looks absolutely mental. Look at that. And chips. And Ethan's sharing the chips.
But going back to yours, what do you think you've actually got?
So I've got duck, more duck, walnut and maybe duck.
And what's that?
That's bread. We've had bread before.
Bread?
Yeah. It's like I think it's like a fruit bread. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy my food now, and we will see you in a minute.
Also, tomorrow.
We're in the middle of a storm right now. There's thunder, there's lightning, there's rain, there's everything. Very cool. Oh. Don't know if you saw that.
There was a little one there, wasn't it?
Yeah, there was 33.
Were you counting?
Oh, that was like a ginormous hand. Oh, there.
Thank you so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe and like it. It really helps us to grow the channel, and it means the world to us. Maybe comment below and tell us where you would like to go on holiday. Anyway, we'll catch you next time. See you soon. Bye bye now.